I'm on a mission to find the best Carnival Eats in Canada, and this might be it. Welcome to Flavour France. Today, we're at Canada's Wonderland trying all the iconic amusement park foods, from loaded poutine to classic funnel cake, and honestly, this feels like a real-life episode of Carnival Eats on Flavour Network with Noah Cap.
It is finally the summer, and you know what that means. Amusement parks and carnivals, and it's gonna be such a good time. So let's go around and try some really exciting things, especially a funnel cake, which I've never tried before. Yes, yes, yes.
Every year, Canada's Wonderland introduces wacky new food, and these were two of my ultimate favorites.
Okay, the first thing that we're gonna try right now is this mac and cheese cone, which is the weirdest thing ever. Oh my god, that is so weird. Why am I into it? Okay, now we're trying a Montreal-style shawarma. I wouldn't personally call this a shawarma, but it's kind of good.
That was a lot, I know. So now let's try some of Canada's Wonderland staple foods that every park goer has to try at least once. Would you believe me if I told you I've never had a colorful slushie before? Yeah, it's true. I was one of those healthy kids. But ever since I tried this, I can't stop thinking about how refreshing it was. If you've never had funnel cake before, think of it as crispy, deep-fried batter topped with vanilla ice cream, sweet cherry topping, and a dusting of powdered sugar. It's messy, nostalgic, and tastes exactly like a day at the fair. Also, the dough is crispy on the outside and soft in the middle, and it just tastes so good. P.S. This was the first time I ever tried it, and let me show you my honest reaction.
Oh my god, that's so good!
After spending the day running between roller coasters, nothing hits quite like a poutine. I know. There's just something about crispy fries, squeaky cheese curds, and hot gravy that makes it the ultimate Canadian comfort food. It's rich, it's messy, and it's exactly what I want after a few rides. Just look at that goodness.
You can't have carnivals and amusement parks in Canada without trying some poutine, and the one here looks so juicy. Oh my god, that's really good.
Tiny Tom Donuts have been a Canadian fairground staple for decades, and honestly, the smell alone is enough to draw a crowd. They're served hot and coated in your topping of choice, and they're the kind of snack you can't stop eating.
Tiny Tops are my favorite at Carnival Wonderland. Just look at how good they look. And they're like perfectly sugary. Oh my god, so good!
No carnival food lineup is complete without a soft pretzel, fresh out of the oven, warm, buttery, and topped with coarse salt. It's a perfect savory snack when you need a break from all the sweets. It's simple, classic, and always satisfying. And that's it from me, folks. The funnel cake, incredible. The poutine, elite. But my stomach, fighting for its life.
If you're just as excited as me about all the Carnival Eats, then make sure to check out Noah Cap Carnival Eats on Flavour Network or stream on STACKTV.